In this video, we are going to learn the past simple tense. Let's get started. Regular verbs form their past tense by adding ed to the base form. For example, talk becomes talked, walk becomes walked. Irregular verbs don't follow a fixed pattern and have unique past tense forms. For example, go becomes went, eat becomes ate, see becomes saw. Let's look at the sentence structure for positive sentences. Subject plus the past form of the verb. An example sentence is, she walked to school. The sentence structure for negative sentences. Subject plus did not plus the base form of the verb. An example sentence is, she didn't walk to school. The sentence structure for forming questions. Did plus subject plus base form of the verb. Did she walk to school? You use it to describe habitual or routine actions that were performed regularly in the past. What did she do to keep fit? She went swimming every morning. To go is an irregular verb. The past form of go is went. How did they get to school? They walked. Walk is a regular verb, so you add ed to the end of the base verb. What time did she used to get up? She woke up at 5:30 a.m. every day, like clockwork. It's also used to describe actions that were completed at a specific time in the past. What time did your train used to leave? It left the station at 5:45 every morning. Leave is an irregular verb. The past form is left. What time did the bank used to open? The bank opened at 9 a.m. Monday to Friday. Now, all banking is done online. It's also used to describe states such as emotions, senses and thoughts that happened in the past. I owned a car. She loved chocolate. They felt welcome. We believed you. It's used for instructions or directions that were completed in the past. For example, how did you make this delicious cake? I mixed the ingredients together, then I baked it for 20 minutes. It was really easy.
I'm by a church in the town centre.
You took the first left instead of the first right. Turn back and take the right turn. Okay, that's it for the past simple. Check out my other videos on the tenses. Bye for now.